Chat GPT told us to go long on Bitcoin right now because everyone and their mother, father, grandparents got liquidated at this level. This is freaking huge. How did we do that? We just used some code. We asked the Chat GPT, what is this code? We implemented the code using Pine editor right here, which I will give you the code in the description below. And then we know where to buy, what to buy, when to sell, and all that good stuff. Let's get started. Chat GPT is insane, insane, insane. Let's find the liquidation levels of Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum and other stuff. Absolutely crazy. And you can also trade using the link below to GMX, 10% of trading fees. And I'll also link some TradingView. Okay, so how do we do that? We start with the playground. If you don't know what ChatGPT, basically it's magic. That's all I can say. It's an AI magic, but I want to make money using ChatGPT and crypto. So how do I do that? I'm gonna go to the following playground on OpenAI /playground. Basically that's the website, beta.openai.com/playground. Okay, there's two websites. There's the playground and then there's the chat. We're gonna go over all of them and then we're gonna implement and we're gonna make money. What are we doing here? And I'm very optimistic now that I saw this, but this for the 15 minutes. We're gonna check other stuff like 60 minutes and daily and see where we are. On the 60 we still have a long time to someone at the door, so I'll be with you in a second. So I went and asked the playground AI create Pine script for liquidation levels of crypto, but add numbers of those levels on the chart. Basically it's gonna tell me, and I don't know, it's not exact science, I don't know how to do that, but hopefully it's better than just random guessing. Basically it's gonna give me 3 levels. Okay, let's see what it did. Version 4, study liquidation level, define the liquidation level as level 1, 0.5, level 2, 0.75, level 3, 0.9. Okay, plot the levels on the chart. Plot level 1 color red. Title level 1, so color red is level 1 right here. Okay, level 2 orange, so not a big deal. Level 3 green right here. So we got, let's say if around here there's not really a lot of trades and a lot of liquidation because there's not a big deal. You want to be, from what my understanding, at the top. If we're getting a lot of liquidation here, maybe a good time to buy was below the red line, which is around 1680, which is just basically a few days ago. 1680, and you see here it touches this 1880 and there was liquidation level in here, and then you sell. Okay, you sell around here, try to be a little below. Basically it's up to you. It's up to you if it went from here to here. We'll see. This is on the hourly. We're gonna check all the rest. And then if you don't, let's keep going. Add the number of the levels to the chart. So basically what does it mean? Color red is level 1, or orange level 2, and green. Okay, so I don't know what it means. I'm not a coder, so I went to ChatGPT. Hello, I'm an assistant, and then I put the code and then I ask him, basically tell me all about it. So he says the script appears to be TradingView Pine script to display liquidation level on the chart. Study, plot, label. Okay, it appears the liquidation, this is important, appears the liquidation levels are defined as constants at the top of the script. Value half 7509. I don't know, I didn't pick those numbers, the AI did. These values are then plotted on the chart and labeled as added indicator of value. This allows the user to quickly see what levels their position might be liquidated. I don't know where they get that info. I really don't know, but I'm gonna trust the robot more than my gut to trade. What's the best place to put a trade? Basically include some factor, do your own research. Determine the best course of action and use risk management. Good tip, good tip. Based on the script, again, difficult to say. And then ask him what does the 05070509 says. And basically it says, in the script you provide, define the liquidation level. These values are likely percentages, including the level at which a position might be liquidated. For example, value of 0.75 would indicate position would be liquidated if the price falls below of the original value. Okay, I don't think it's true, but it's fine. In general, liquidation levels are used to project against potential losses in a trade. By setting these levels, a trader can automatically exit a position. Yeah, but sure, but we're gonna use it in other ways. So how do you do it? Basically, you copy the trade, okay, which I will put in the description of the video below. And if you like everything, of course, subscribe, and you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other assets on GMX with 10% off, and put the chart on TradingView, also link below. Click maximize right here. Okay, maximize the script. Click Pine Editor, or start with Pine Editor, maximize, and then basically put this code that will be in the description. Study liquidation levels, that's the name. Okay, and then basically just says add to chart, and then basically it add the chart. If I remember correctly, it added at the bottom. You just scroll it up and you put it on the chart itself. It's not a big deal. Okay, so let's see what we got. Let's start with Bitcoin. Let's go to the 15 minutes level, because a lot of you guys like to gamble. You just sit on the screen. Let's go and see how accurate it is. Let's go. For example, can I change the settings in here? I don't think I can even change the settings, so it's interesting. Good to know. Okay, so let's say we are here for the last, I don't know, let's go a week back. Okay, on the 15, no, it's 15 minutes, so it's not a big deal. You do nothing on that's my conclusion. I haven't backtested, but do nothing at the orange, okay? Do nothing at the orange, and then you see that it touches, Bitcoin touches 17,269 at around December 11. When was that? A few days ago, Sunday it says, so like yeah, 4 or 5 days ago it touches, and then you go short, and you don't do anything until it touches this. How beautiful is this? 16.8. So you took a short from 17,290. This is gold. This is gold. Divided by 16,870, for example, and you made 2.3%. Not bad, not bad. If you use leverage, that's a different story completely. And you either close the trade and wait for a new one, or close the trade and go directly long. And if you did that, you close the trade here, 1680, you took a trade long, and you can maybe close half in here or close half in here, up to you, and just so you can do break even. But then eventually it popped all the way back to 18,000. Now the level just got a little down. Interesting. And you close the other half. That's one strategy. What do you do? And then you can take a trade short, or just sit one out, do nothing, and we got eventually it happened. And you see, if you got short there, eventually you got this is crazy. And then you close, let's say, half in here at 18. You go short at 18.4. You close half in here, and let's see, it touches here at 17,550, 560. But also now this is crazy. It also broke. And now it's a good time to go long. According to this, it's a good time to go long around 17, 350, 360, something like that. Pretty good, all the way to 18.4. That's what it says. That's what it says. It is on the 15 minutes chart, so take this with a grain of salt. Let's change it just for the example for the hourly. In the hourly, we can also, the same thing, go long here around 16.9. And then close the trade, maybe close half at 17.8, close the other half. This is wild. Close the other half at 18.3, and then either go short or just wait. And for now, there's no trade on the hourly. Let's see, if you don't really like to trade, you just go long. Daily chart, same thing. You go long Bitcoin right here. Below the red, you take a trade. 16,000 is a good long position on the daily. That's crazy. When do you sell Bitcoin? 25,000 in August. Could have gone out at 25. Anything else? Look at this. Buy, and we're gonna check this out before, but you buy Bitcoin, same thing, 17.6 in June, and if you haven't, yeah, here we go. We got this. Got out at 25, and this is wild. And we got, what else we got in here? I want to see if it caught the top. 48,000 sell, 48,000 sell, and either close the trade or go long at 17. Wow, 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 wow. And we got all the way. Look at this. It does 68 short. This is freaking wild. Sell at 68, buy at 32, and at 32, maybe close half at 42, so you're fine. And then you go back to 26. Okay, it's something to consider. Let me just do a quick, let's say, Ethereum. See the same thing where we are. Ethereum Binance. Okay, so on the daily, take a short at 3,500. Okay, and close the trade at 900, and then go directly long or something. And if you're still long, you close half at like 1,700, and then the other half is still open, or you close it in here. And now again at 1,100, you go long, and then you wait. Okay, you go long and then you wait. 1,100, you still long at this scenario on the daily. And if we do the 15 minutes chart, you just go long at 1250, long, same thing. Here, same thing, 1350 short, and then go long on 12. This is wild, wild, wild. Again, if you want to trade, the code will be below, how to edit, and GMX if you don't have an account already, with 10% trading fees off your trading fees. This is wild. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.